Tonight, a big change for the death penalty in Florida. The state Supreme Court ruled today that the death penalty requires a unanimous jury rather than 10 out of 12 jurors. As Capitol Bureau reporter Mike Vasalinda shows us, that wasn't the only decision today affecting Florida's death row.
12 jurors found Timothy Hurst guilty of the 1998 stabbing of a co-worker at a Pensacola Popeyes, but only 7 of them voted for death, which the judge imposed. This January, the U.S. Supreme Court used the Hurst case to throw out that sentencing scheme, saying a jury, not the judge, had the final say.
House will come to order.
Then lawmakers enacted a 10-2 requirement for a death sentence this spring. Now the Florida Supreme Court has said the Hurst decision demands a unanimous jury.
So they threw out the new Florida statute that had allowed the death penalty by a 10-2 margin and said going forward, we're going to have unanimous verdicts in Florida.
Nancy Daniels was Hurst's public defender and says that he'll now get a new sentencing hearing.
It's about time.
Mark Schlockman has been working for almost a decade to require a unanimous jury when death is on the table.
Why is unanimity important in your mind?
It goes right to the core of our system of jurisprudence.
The court was asked to declare the entire death penalty unconstitutional. It refused, but it left unanswered what happens with the other 384 people who woke up on death row Friday morning. During the legislative session, prosecutors objected to requiring unanimous jury verdicts, saying no 2 people should be allowed to impose their will on the majority. The Supreme Court disagrees. In Tallahassee, Mike Vasalinda, News Channel 8.